Okay, I'm sitting here in Winnsboro, and I've been here all day. It is now 10 o'clock. I'm just showing you around my view. Yeah, that's a garage door with a stop sign. There you can see the back. All the other garage door. One other truck in the bay. He just got here. Look back there. Okay. Okay, that noise is they have a speaker system set up in here to keep birds out, even though they close the doors. That goes off about every minute and a half, maybe 2 minutes, I don't know, we'll see how long it is here. But it's loud, it's annoying, and it's really fun trying to sleep in here when that noise is going off. I keep looking over there because the guy's messing behind my trailer. Here, look, I'll show you. Well, he was. He's back there somewhere. I think they're actually finally loading me. I got here at 9 o'clock this morning. There he is. Anyway, I got here at 9 o'clock this morning. Sat outside. Well, I first cut in, washed out. After I'd already washed out in Sulphur Springs, then come over here. They washed me out again. Then went and parked and just got in the bay. I guess it was like 4 o'clock. So I've been sitting in the bay for 6 hours. And probably 20 minutes ago, he hooked the hose up. Maybe 20 minutes ago. Don't mean he's loading me. Just means he hooked the hose up. And he's still back there messing around. So, we'll see. Let me look. I know he's there. Anyway, it doesn't matter. Well, maybe he's not. Anyway, so if we sit here long enough, you'll be able to hear that stupid bird thing go off again. Ah, there you go. That's the other Indian River driver parked. We're both going to the same space or place. Sure you can't hear me over that horse shit playing. it goes. Anyway, okay. It'll probably be midnight before I get out of here, or better. So, thanks for watching. Alright, bye.